Hello students, myself Amrita Srivastav and I am faculty of US Academy and Institute, Gorakhpur. Today we are going to discuss class 7 English and we will take one chapter from your supplementary book. The name of the book is An Alien Hand. And today we will discuss about our first chapter, that is the Tiny Teacher. So students, have you seen the smallest insect and the voicest also? Is it a fly? No. Is it not? Is it a mosquito? No, it's not a mosquito. Then it must be a worm. No, it's not a worm. None of these. It is the ant. Have you seen the ants? It is always be visible in your house also, maybe in red color or maybe in black color. So as the title is suggesting, the tiny teacher. So students, what do you understand by a teacher? Students, teacher is the one who teaches us something, and today we will talk about the tiny teacher. Who is this tiny teacher? The meaning of the tiny is small in size, and ants are called the tiny teacher as they teach us to work hard, sense of duty, discipline, cleanliness, and they also teach us how to take care of young ones. So let's see about the tiny teacher. The tiny teacher itself depicts the dedication of the smallest creature towards their duties assigned them to perform in a very sincere way. Being the hardworking and intelligent creature, they perform their duties in the form of cleanser, nurses, workers, soldiers and trainers also. And most of them, they lived in an anthill having hundreds of little rooms and passes for all ants. And the queen ants only lays eggs after its wedding fight with a drone. Through the life cycle, and the life cycle of an ant is egg, grub, after that cocoon, and at the last is ant. A perfect ant appears at the last. They learn their duties from the old ants and ready to survive in the world of work like cleanser, nurses, not cleanser, it's cleaners, nurses, workers, soldiers and trainers also. They also allow other creatures to live in their anthill to get pleasant smell, sweet juice and play things. So we should learn many qualities from this wisest creature: hard work, sense of duty and discipline, loyalty towards their country. These are things we must learn from ants. So let's see what is going in the chapter. An ant, being a smallest insect, is an intelligent and hardworking creature. As it is the commonest insect, we know a number of facts about it. An ant has feelers, which is also called antennae. It uses them to talk and greet other ants while moving up to down the wall. The black or red ones are the commonest among them. Maybe you have seen in your homes and at the outside also. They live in their comfortable homes, generally called nests or ant hills, just below the surface of the soil. Each ant hill has hundreds of little rooms and passages. In the picture you can see how they make their homes and how they perform their duties. They have reserved quarters also. They spend most of their time searching for food, and some rooms serve as a storehouse for their foods also. Soldiers have separate barracks as our soldiers have, and no worker has ever tried to live in a soldier's house. No soldiers has ever gone out searching for food. That means every ant have to do only their duty. Let's see what is happening in the second part of the chapter. It is about the queen who holds the entire empire of the ants. Let's see what they do. So, the queen ant lays egg in some of these rooms. Other rooms are nurseries, stores, reserved quarters and separate barracks, etc. Ants of each category carry their duty sincerely without disturbing each other. This is the reason why ants enjoy a peaceful life. That means they never disturb each other and each other duties. The queen ant is the mother of entire population of the colony. Its lifespan is about 15 years. After wedding fight with a male ant that is called a drone, on a hot summer day, it comes back to earth without wings to lay eggs. So, after fighting, it doesn't have any wings. In a few days, grubs come out of the eggs. Soldiers ants guard them while workers ants feed them alhamd and they help them in growing up. After 2 or 3 weeks, grubs becomes cocoons which then break and perfect ant appear. After 2 or 3 weeks, they appear in a perfect ant. New ants are taught and trained by old ants. After a few weeks training, the small ants become ready to work. So students, as you have to know that every ant gets a training by its old. An ant hill is also the home of other creatures like beetles. Have you seen any beetles? Lesser breed of ants and green fly. They share their rooms and ants also. The ants give them shelter because they get sweet juice and pleasant smell from them. So they enjoy their company also and sweet juices and pleasant smell from them. The green fly is the ants' cow. The ants give training to them to give honeydew with a touch of their antennae. Man can learn hard work, sense of discipline, cleanliness and care for the young ones from it. So students, now I hope you are able to understand why this tiny insect is called our tiny teacher. So have you learned as much as ants have? Because they have so many things to learn, and that is first thing we have to learn is hard work. All the time they keep working, their sense of duty and their discipline. Cleanliness, care for young ones and most many other things we have to learn from this tiny teacher. In the chapter it is said that ant's life is very peaceful. Do you have any idea why it is called? Let's see, or let's discuss. Because an ant's life is peaceful because it does its work intelligently and bravely, and they never fight with any other member of their group. Each member has a designed and designated place to stay and a definite work to do. They doesn't have time to fight also. A soldier ant never goes out to search for food, and similarly a worker never enters the domain of a soldier ant. No worker or soldier has ever harmed any grub. Each one loyally and diligently does his duty and relentlessly carries on with their work peacefully. They always know sharing and contribution and do not interfere in each other works. That is called, this is the most peaceful life, and that is the life of ant. Let's discuss comprehension check also. First question is saying, how long does it take for a grub to become a complete ant? So it takes near about 2 or 3 weeks when it becomes a cocoon, and after another 3 weeks it breaks the cocoons and complete ant appears. Next question is, why do the worker ants carry the grub about? And the worker ants carry them about daily for airing, exercise and sunshine also. They also need these natural things to live and to survive. Third question is about, what jobs are new ants trained for? So new ants are trained for as workers, soldiers and cleaners, etc. Question number 4 is saying, name some other creature that live in ant hills. And some other creatures that can live in ant hills are beetles, lesser breeds of ants and green fly. Why they live there? Because the ants love their smell and their juices also. They provide some juices to the ants. Next question is saying, mention 3 things we can learn from the tiny teacher and give reason for choosing these items. So what are the 3 things we learn from them? Ants are very small and unassertive. They are undoubtedly great teacher for our life. How? We can learn teamwork, as ants do their work by sharing and contributing without interfering in each other's life. Second thing we can learn is, we can learn hard work. Why? Because ants spend their most of time in doing their respective jobs without hesitation. So whatever work is assigned to them, they are keep doing and keep busy. And third thing we can learn is, we can learn loyalty and power of cohesive work and discipline also, as ants live a disciplined life and always follow the rules of their group and are loyal towards it. So we must be as loyal as ants are. Next exercise is, discuss the following topics in groups. This is for students. First question is saying, what problems are you likely to face if you keep ants as pets? So students, what could be happen if you will keep ants as your pet? I think what problem we will get? I think maybe they can bite us. And they are too tiny to keep a watch on They may bite and cause any itchy skin also. Making a suitable and safe home for them would not be, I think, practically possible for that. So students, second question is saying, when a group of bees find nectars, it informs other bees of its location, quantity, etc. through dancing. Can you guess what ants communicate to their fellow ants by touching one other's feelers?